Ever feel like you're not getting the most out of your workouts? It might not be about how hard you train, but rather what you do before you even start. Many overlook crucial pre-workout steps that can significantly enhance performance, prevent injuries, and accelerate progress. In this video, we'll uncover the 5 essential things you should do before every workout to ensure you're primed for success. Number 1, you need to hydrate properly. Hydration is the foundation of an effective workout. Here's the truth. Losing just 3% of your body's water can tank your strength, reduce endurance, make you feel sluggish, and slow down recovery. Drinking water before and during your workout ensures your muscles are well supplied with oxygen and nutrients. Aim to drink at least 16 to 20 ounces of water 2 to 3 hours before exercising, and another 8 ounces 20 to 30 minutes prior. Remember, if you're feeling thirsty, you're already on your way to dehydration. Keep a water bottle handy and sip consistently throughout the day. Proper hydration not only boosts performance, but also helps regulate body temperature and prevent cramps. And here's a pro tip. Adding a pinch of salt to your water can enhance hydration by replenishing electrolytes lost through sweat. But hydration is just the beginning. We'll get to this in a second. And don't forget, water helps transport nutrients throughout the body, meaning that if you're well hydrated, your pre-workout fuel gets used more effectively. Think of it as fueling your engine before a race. You don't want to stall halfway through. Number 2, fuel up with the right pre-workout nutrition. What you eat before exercising can make or break your performance. Consuming a balanced meal with carbohydrates and protein 2 to 3 hours before your workout provides sustained energy and aids muscle function. Carbs are your body's primary energy source, while protein supports muscle repair and growth. If you're short on time, a smaller snack 30 to 60 minutes prior, like a banana with peanut butter or Greek yogurt with berries, can give you a quick energy boost without weighing you down. Avoid high-fat or high-fiber foods right before exercising, as they can slow digestion and cause discomfort. Remember, the goal is to feel energized, not sluggish. And speaking of energy, there's a common pre-workout practice that can give you an extra edge, but only if done correctly. To take it up a notch, try incorporating slow-digesting carbs like oats earlier in the day if you know you'll train later. This creates a longer-lasting energy base, especially for heavy lifting or longer sessions. Also, avoid experimenting with new foods or supplements right before a workout. Stick with what your body knows. If you're training early in the morning and don't like eating much beforehand, even a small protein shake or a banana can make a big difference. Planning your meals around your workout schedule is one of the easiest ways to improve your training results without changing your entire routine. The next one also can make a huge difference, and I know many of you ignoring it. So stick around. Number 3, warm up effectively. Warming up properly primes your muscles, joints, and nervous system for the work ahead. Start with light aerobic movement, like brisk walking, jumping jacks, or cycling, for 5 to 10 minutes to raise your core temperature. Follow this with dynamic stretching or movement prep drills tailored to the specific exercises you'll be doing. For example, leg swings, arm circles, and bodyweight squats are excellent for lower body sessions. A proper warm-up enhances range of motion, increases blood flow, and lowers your risk of injury. Plus, it mentally prepares you for the workout, so you're not just physically ready, but mentally locked in. Skipping your warm-up may not hurt the first time, but over time, it can lead to tightness, poor form, and even long-term injuries. Here's another bonus. Warming up helps activate the mind-muscle connection, making each rep more effective. It also allows you to mentally rehearse your first few sets, which has been shown to improve performance through visualization. If you're short on time, even a quick 5-minute circuit of mobility work and activation drills can dramatically improve how your workout feels. Treat your warm-up like part of the workout, not just a box to check off. Your future self will thank you. Number 4, use a pre-workout boost wisely. When used strategically, pre-workout supplements, or even a simple cup of coffee, can sharpen your focus, boost energy, and improve endurance. Caffeine, for example, has been shown to increase alertness and reduce perceived effort, which can help you push harder during your session. But the key word here is strategically. Start with a low dose to assess tolerance and avoid taking it too close to bedtime. Timing is crucial. Consume it about 30 to 45 minutes before your workout for best results. And don't forget that caffeine isn't the only option. Beta-alanine, citrulline malate, and creatine are other evidence-backed ingredients. Choose products with transparent labels and clinically dosed ingredients. Pro tip: if you're training later in the evening, skip the stimulants and go for a non-stim pre-workout or rely on nutrition alone. You can also cycle off caffeine for a week every couple of months to reset your sensitivity and make it more effective. Remember, no supplement replaces consistency, effort, and smart programming. Think of pre-workout as a cherry on top, not the whole sundae. Number 5. Get in the right mindset. Your mindset before training can shape the entire outcome of your workout. Take a few minutes to visualize your goals, mentally rehearse your lifts, or review your training plan. Listening to music that pumps you up can elevate dopamine levels and prime you for action. Even a quick moment of gratitude or positive self-talk can increase motivation and lower stress. Treat your workout like an appointment with your future self. Show up with intention. If your day has been chaotic, doing some deep breathing or short meditation can help you reset and shift into training mode. Here's something powerful. Science shows that just believing you'll have a good workout actually increases performance. Journaling your mood or writing down a quick goal for the session can also help maintain focus and drive. Over time, building a strong pre-workout routine becomes a ritual that anchors your training habits. A strong body starts with a strong mind, and the gym is one of the best places to develop both. Don't just go through the motions, train with purpose. By incorporating these 5 essential pre-workout practices, you're setting yourself up for success in every training session. And if you want to know what is the worst muscle-building mistakes that every gym bro make, click the video on the screen and I'll catch you in the next one.